I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge, and we're on week 21. And our prompts for this week is something with a handle, and I've got this bicycle that's got the handlebars. We need something shiny, and I've got these jewels. An image from a magazine. I've got this kitty cat. It's from a magazine. Something that represents communication. I've got this mouth. Something royal. The little kitty cat's got his little crayon on. And the bonus is pattern paper, and I've got this right here. So I hope everybody's doing great, and without further ado, let's get started. Well, I hope your weekend was great, and I hope your week will be wonderful. So let's see what we're going to do. I want to break this up just a little bit. So I think I've got this fodder, and I haven't used it in a long time, where when I do fussy cuts out of magazines, and it's got leftover pages, and I just draw, and it just gives me something extra. And I don't know, I got away from using it, and I come across it, so here we go. Let me see, we better lay it out first, see if it's going to work. All right, we have got kitty cat, so I'm going to put him there. And maybe his mouth. My little bicycle. And I've got some more leaves if I need them. And my gems. And I've got some butterflies here to kind of add to the collage. Sometimes you need more than just the main things to bring it together. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put down my prompts just so I can get them out of my way. Now, I'm planning on also having another video today. Sunday, Glue Book Sunday, I think it is. I'll have to check that out to be sure what the name is. And I think it's going to be fun. I have really been enjoying glue booking, so they've been doing it for a few weeks, so I got a glue book ready to use. Just a old little smaller size sketchbook. Looks like a 5x7, something like that I hadn't really used, so I've been putting some background papers down in there. All right, now we're gonna put our kitty cat down. We got a lot of rain the last few days, and we've really needed it because we usually get a lot of rain in like April and such, but we didn't get it. And we were under a burn ban, but we've had some nice steady rains. It's been real nice. I think we're supposed to have some more tomorrow, if I'm not mistaken. I could be wrong. I'm going to put that all the way down. It's just been nice and just steady rains. I fussy cut between this bicycle, but I just didn't have it in me to go between the spokes. To me, it just doesn't, it looks better if you do the fussy cutting, but the spokes were so thin that I just couldn't, I was scared to try it, but so we are just got them where we can. And I no rhyme or reason where I'm putting these gems. And I want to add some butterflies. There. And I still have not found my pencil sharpener. So let's see what I can do. I've got just a plain old pen. Let's see if that'll work. Because I do want to outline my... I thought I had black gel pens, but I don't know where they're at. Let's see. So I usually have one. Yeah, I found one. Yay me. All right. There we go. I love these Sharpie S-Gel pens. They really are good pens. But just going around, it just helps it to pop. Which we gotta have our handlebars popping. Of course, I covered one up with the butterfly, didn't I? Didn't think that through, did I? Now my eyes are so bad. I am nearsighted, and I cannot see far off at all without my glasses. But with my glasses on, I can see better if I take them off. Everything's blurry. I need to have my eyes checked, but it's just a matter. And we have insurance, but still, the because the bifocals, well, I have trifocals. It just it's ridiculous unless I just get the real thick lenses. If I don't get the ones that are, you know, thin, and then get the scratch resistant coating, which seems to come off after a while. But it has been quite a few years since I did fussy cut those, but it's been quite a few years since I've had my eyes checked. And our insurance isn't as good as it used to be, so I'm kind of scared of what it'll cover now. It probably won't cover as much. I know our medical doesn't. It doesn't cover nearly what it used to. All these greedy little companies. And don't be fooled. Where my husband works, there's a union and they don't do a thing, but you have to have it for the insurance. And that's the only thing that keeps us. But other than that, the union doesn't do a bit of good. They used to fight for you. Now I think they're in cahoots with the companies because they're not doing much for the employees. But I do know the economy's bad, so it's been better for us than it was before, but it still has a long way to go. Okay. I didn't go around this one. All right. And let's see here. Get my gold splatters. Sometimes splatters, whether it be gold or white or... I got some inks. I wonder... I think I'm going to stick with the gold on this, though. Because I just think it would look better than the white or black. And I think I'll go around, just hit the edges. Now that would look better in black. Let's see. That glued down. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel. And be sure and check out the hashtag 2026 CWP21. All right. So we have something with a handle. We've got a bicycle. Something shiny. We've got our jewels and the tiara. An image from a magazine, which is my kitty cat. Something that represents communication. We've got a mouth. Something royal. We've got our tiara. And the bonus is pattern paper. We've got this polka dot paper in the back. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful week. I love you. And until next time, bye y'all.